guys, welcome to Nasike's Kitchen. If you haven't subscribed to my YouTube channel, kindly do. We'll really appreciate. Remember to like, comment and share. And today I'm going to show you a very simple recipe on how to make half cakes, or if you like, kangumu. The ingredients that I'm going to use are 2 cups of self-rise baking flour, sugar, lemon zest, and for lemon zest I've used 1 tablespoon. For sugar I'll use 5 teaspoons, and cooking oil. So I'm adding the sugar, in the flour, then I'll mix everything together. I'll add 2 teaspoons of cooking oil, then I'll continue mixing. And guys, if you're using multi-purpose flour, you can use a half tablespoon of baking powder. Then I'll add the lemon zest, and for that, if you have vanilla essence, you can add instead of lemon zest. For me, I just like that taste, and also it helps to preserve your mandazis, for at least a longer period of time. So it's used as a preservative. I've added some water, and I'm using warm water. I'll add bit by bit as I mix. So that everything mixes nicely together. And for the longest time, I really wanted to do this recipe, but I don't know why. I've never been in a hurry, but today I decided to do the recipe. I know so many people love kangumu, and this is the most simple recipe. You don't have to use a lot of things. You don't have to use milk. You don't have to use eggs. You don't have to use margarine. This one is as simple as possible. So if you want to use it as commercial, it's the better or the best option. But I would advise you that you'd have to leave the flour or the dough that you've kneaded to sleep overnight. Then you prepare it tomorrow, so that it raises. So I'll continue kneading my dough to the consistency that I want. I don't want it to be so hard. I want it to be a bit smooth. Yeah, you can see how it looks. I'll take some cooking oil and spread on my basin or tin, and then I'll put my dough, then I'll cover for about 1 hour. 1 hour later, you can see the way my dough looks like. It's a bit smooth. I'll pinch it, or you can cut using your knife. I'll spread. I've put some baking flour on my surface so that it doesn't stick, and then I'm going to roll. And when you're rolling, don't roll it thin. It's supposed to be thick, so that when it cooks, it will be a bit thick, not thin, and it will have some flesh inside. After that, I'll cut into my desirable shapes. You can choose any shape of your choice, it doesn't matter. There they are. You can see how lovely they look, my doughs. Now I'm going to dip them in my cooking oil. And here I have to tell you that when you're using your cooking oil, ensure that it's not so much heated, so that it gives time for the dough to cook inside and then cook outside. But when your cooking oil is like so much heated, the outer will have cooked and then the inside will not have cooked. So it's good to use like moderate heat while cooking the doughs. So I'll turn and turn and turn so that they cook evenly. And I also want them to brown. You can see how lovely they look. They've already cooked, so I'm going to remove them and set them aside to drip some excess oil. Then I'll serve. So when you want to prepare this kangumu recipe, you don't have to use a lot of stuff. Whatever you have in hand is what you use, and you'll be amazed. Don't they look amazing? You can see how lovely they look. They're very crunchy. You can see they have those two cracks. You can use this as a breakfast item or a snack. So guys, remember to hit the subscribe button, comment, share. We'll meet in the next video.